Friends, and I am standing here beside a beautiful rooftop. First, let me show you this beautiful rooftop. See this rooftop, it's so nice. See the entire scenery. There are so many trees around, and there is one tulsi manch. Okay, and now let me show you student Akash.
Hello everyone.
Now why I am uploading this video, because I am going to show you the awesome talent that this boy has. Let me show you that. Come with me. Now Akash is going to show you an experience. Stay tuned with us.
Today I am going to do one experiment with potassium permanganate and glycerin. First let me put my mask.
This is not only for social distance, this is also for to remain safe during this experimenting process, right?
Yes sir.
Now Akash is wearing gloves. I am feeling quite excited because this is the first time I am going to see him live. Okay. And this is Varman. It looks like black pepper, no?
No, it is purple in color.
Purple in color, okay.
Now in this spoon only I will take 2 to 3 drops of glycerin.
Okay. Glycerin.
Yes.
Okay.
Two things aside.
Okay.
Now
Now see friends. We have stepped back because this is going to bond like this. See this. It bursting from inside, no?
yes.
A smell is coming. It like when we burst crackers in Diwali, that type of smell.
I am giving little bit more.
Is giving little bit more. It's a volcanic eruption. See, it's looking like lava, molten lava is coming from inside. Okay. Okay. So Akash, now tell me how it happened.
It happened due to chemical reaction.
Chemical reaction. Okay.
When we give potassium permanganate, in potassium permanganate, when we add glycerin, it becomes too hot. It becomes.
Okay.
That's why it flamed.
Okay. So I hope you all like this video, and the most important thing is that being a student of class 7, you are in 7, right?
Yes, sir.
He is in 7, and being a student of class 7 is enjoying all these experiments. These experiments are mainly taught to them in school, in class, in online classes, of course, now due to this pandemic situation. But still, he is the one who really practices these experiments, taking all the protective measures. So I really appreciate this kind of gesture, and he become a scientist. His aim is to become a scientist,
Yes, sir.
and that's why he practices this kind of, even though having some sort of obstacles also. But he is the one who also maintain proper safe measures. Okay, so if you want to try without the guidance of your teacher, or without the guidance of your parents, and of course without proper measuring equipments, okay, show you this boy's talent, nothing else. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay, bye.